Hey guys, it's Jessica. I'm back with another video, and today we are opening the Celebrating the Moment 15th anniversary full set from Mart. Let's see if I got that right. Mart 15th anniversary series. This is 15 figures and all different IPs from Mart. So very exciting. I ordered this a while ago and I did it as a pre-order because I wanted it to ship from the local channel, because basically that way I can ensure that it comes to me from UPS and not from like a discount shipping service that has proven unreliable at times. And I was waiting and waiting and waiting for it to ship, and then I realized it is sitting there in stock from the local warehouse ready to purchase. And not only that, but it is over $200. I have been trying to get my hands on this. What is this, you ask? This is a freebie. It is a special Halloween blanket that you could only get if you purchase over $299 of items. So I was like, I can just cancel the pre-order. I can create a new order for this item and a couple of other things, and I have my blanket. So I'm super excited. I was kind of worried because with new items, which this is, you don't qualify for freebies, but if you add old items, allegedly you do. So I got this, I got one of the little Hirono Monsters Carnival like grave stand things, because those are only $8. And then I got a display case for figures because I have so many figures that do not have a display. So it was something that I needed, and I'm so excited. So let me open this blanket first, because I worked so hard to try to figure out a way to get it without buying stuff that I didn't necessarily want or need. Ooh, it is soft. So on the back, it says Halloween. Okay. It kind of looks like one of the monsters here. It's got these weird leaves things. Oh no, these are like stars. These are the leaves of the pumpkin. And it's got like a clownish pumpkin face. See that? Because not only is it a Halloween blanket, it is a Why So Serious blanket from the Blind Box series that we have already opened together on this channel. So it just comes in this little thing, and then let me move this so you guys can see. All right, the quality is definitely not as good as I was hoping it would be. And here we go. I'm so far from the tiny little phone, I can't even see what I'm looking at. Okay, so we got Demu in the bottom. We have Twinkle. Love them both. We have Molly, who's, but I think it's cute that she has Labubu and Demu hand puppets. That's cute. Then we have a Labubu with a little clown puppet. And Pucky with a beanie on his head. If you don't know, Beanie is his snot bubble monster. And Hachi Poo Poo with his little fairy wand. So it's very cute. I don't know why it has these little corners on the back. Maybe this is so you can hang it up from something, because it's only on the top. Yeah. Or I don't know. Maybe it's so if you wrap it around, you can just like tuck your hands in there. That's kind of cute. Yeah, so it's definitely not as good of quality as I would expect for something that you get with a $300 or more purchase. And I knew it was gonna be small, like getting it, because they would hold it on the channel, and you can see like it's wide, but it's not very long. So, but I do think it's cute, and I didn't technically spend money for it because Twinkle has a ghost puppet. Technically, I needed the display case and the Hirono stand to display my figures. and I was dead set on getting this anniversary series. So there is my blanket. I almost paid someone $45 for this blanket on a Facebook group. She got one and she was just like entertaining offers, I guess, because she kept telling people to send her offers, and she technically never like declined my offer. I guess it just wasn't good enough for her. And she acknowledged that like it wasn't worth $100 or $200, but yet she wouldn't take 45 for that. So I'm glad I didn't buy it from her, because I probably would have been disappointed. Now, they've been doing a lot of stackable freebies on the TikTok channel. So I also got this Peach Riot makeup bag. So let's open this. So it says Peach Riot on the handle, and it says Pop Mart and Peach Riot on the back. And it's got the girls on the front, and I love these little the Peach Riot stars are the pulls for the zipper. We've got some padding in here, and it's got 2 compartments and then a little zipper compartment. It's kind of nice. Yeah, I don't wear makeup. Oh, it has 2 zippers inside. And it has like these little pouches. This might be better quality than the blanket, actually. Yeah, I don't wear makeup, but I love a good toiletry bag, you know, for a trip. So the funny thing is, Pop Mart has been having a lot of sales, you know, leading into the holidays. And I'll talk in more detail in my next video about that, but they had 4 stackable freebies, and I was like, I am determined to get 4 free items just because I want, you know, I love a deal. So I forgot that I was getting one of these with the blanket because all I cared about was the blanket. I didn't think about the other freebies for that order. So I'll be getting a second one of these, which means I'll probably be selling it. Not for a lot because, you know, it was a freebie, but just for something to make it worth it for me to ship it. And then I got this, which I definitely don't like and will be selling for cheap because I don't think it's, honestly, I think it's worth like $5, but it is very soft. But this is a Why So Serious like trinket holder, or you could use it for like pens or jewelry or just whatever, you know. So we got Demu on there. He's very cute. And then it's got the little, I think this is supposed to be a fox personally, but the little fox creature that hangs out with him all the time. It's like a pumpkin version though. And then you have the like jacquard pattern inside. It's really, really soft. I just don't think like it's very visually appealing, you know. They have different versions of these, so I don't know if there's more than 2, but I know the other one I see a lot is the twinkle version, and I think this one is cuter. So those are the freebies I got for this order. Now, without further ado, we will be opening the full series. I will be filming 2 videos today because I have a ton of blind boxes. They're all confirmed as far as I know. Nope, there's actually 2 blind boxes in there, but I can't do that with this full set because that's just too much. And I know that you guys don't want to watch a 2-hour video. So let us get into this. Now, I did want most of these figures for myself, but there are some that I don't want or need. So I will be selling some of them. Some of them actually already, oh look, I'm already finding a use for this. Some of them already have homes, like people are waiting for them. So I really needed to get this video filmed so I could send them out. So look at how nice the packaging is. And we've got all of these adorable characters. There's a couple in here that I don't care for, like Polar, who I had no idea who that was until this series came out, as well as I don't really care about Kubo or Zuzika or Baby Molly, so. But even though I'm not a big Molly fan, the secret for this series is really cool. It is a Molly that she's kind of on a stand, almost like I don't know if it's supposed to look like a cake or a music box, but she's basically like a music box. And so she rotates slowly. And I think it looks really cool. So I am definitely targeting the secret today. Here are our figures. Now, I will not be opening the ones that I am not keeping for myself, so sorry you guys. I do have to open all the boxes to confirm what's inside, but I'm only gonna be revealing the ones that are for me. So I debated opening all of these from the bottom, but to be honest, it's such a faff. Like, you guys have watched me do that in other videos, and it takes forever, and it's awkward for me, it's awkward for you, it leaves little pieces of paper all over my house, and I worry about cutting myself or destroying the box. So we're just gonna do the old rip on the top for all of these, and people are gonna have to deal with that because they're not the ones that bought it and that had to open 15 boxes. So this one is dun 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 dun. I can't see it. Oh, this one is Baby Molly. So I shall not be opening it. It is cute. She's like got balloons that are kind of hanging, she's hanging from them. But yeah, I just don't, I'm not a Baby Molly girly, you know. Box number 2. Funnily enough, I don't want the Labubu from this series either because it's like the old style of the Labubu and I don't like that style. 3, 2, 1. Is this the Labubu? Yep. So you guys see what I mean? Like, it's just kind of creepy. Am I right? I like that it's a clock because, you know, it's an anniversary, and it's also a magnet. See how big it is. So it's basically this size, and then it's a magnet on the back. It's totally flat. But this is for someone in a group that I'm in. So I'm gonna put that back. I gotta send that out to her. All right, where are the ones for me? I've been waiting to open these. My vision has been weird today. I feel like I only put in one of my contact lenses or something. Let's see. Oh, this one comes with stuff, so I can't look. 3, 2, 1. What is it? Oh, it's Polar. So she's kind of cute, but I don't need figures of characters that I don't necessarily care for, you know what I mean? Like, I have so much stuff. In fact, I have so much stuff that I just did a massive sale where I sold stuff for like a fraction of what I paid for it. I lost hundreds of dollars. Gambling and addictions are bad, you guys. I say this in a lot of my videos, and it is true. So maybe you can live vicariously through me watching me open all this stuff, and maybe that's good enough for you and you don't have to buy it yourself. I hope it is, because this is a very expensive hobby, and I bought all those magic boxes, fantastic boxes, you pick boxes from the unboxing channel. I got so much stuff that I didn't want. And then they started doing flash sales on figures where figures were like 20% off. So I was like, ooh, I'm saving $4 on these figures, so why not buy them? But then I got a bunch that I didn't want. So could I have listed stuff for more? Probably, but I've been doing that for months, especially with the figures, and it just doesn't sell. Like, the plush pendants are what made Pop Mart go viral and really popular. Obviously Labubus particularly, but people prefer the plush pendants unless they're like really serious collectors. And really serious collectors know where to get their items without overpaying for them or without having to pay for shipping. So it's like, I'm not gonna be able to sell a lot of this stuff for what I paid for it. And I'm tired of it taking over my house. So I'm being so vulnerable with you guys right now. I just put it all up for sale the other day, and within a few hours, like, I had sold almost all of the stuff that I don't want or that's a duplicate. And like I said, I lost hundreds of dollars, but I sold it all. I spent a couple of hours making shipping labels. I mailed out 12, well, technically 13, 14. Yeah, 14 packages I mailed out within like 2 or 3 days, 12 in one go. And now it's gone and it's not taking over my living space anymore. So these I'm not going to be selling for $5 because they're brand new. They're part of an anniversary series, which these anniversary series are limited release, right? They're not going to keep selling the 15th anniversary series next year. So that's my long rant about how you shouldn't waste money on stuff like blind boxes that you don't really want or need, because you're going to get overwhelmed and you're going to have to figure out how to get rid of it. And people are just not buying this stuff at full price anymore. So anyway, that was the not fun part of the video. Let's get back to the fun part. I really do feel like I have one contact lens in right now, you guys. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's facing me. It is 3, 2, 1 Hirono. So this one I have a dupe of because I bought a couple, I think I bought 4 of these from the unboxing channel. And this was one of the ones that I got. So somebody is buying one of them, but now I have to sell the other one. It kind of worked out for me though, because the other 2 that I got a crybaby, and as you guys know, I've been getting into crybabies, and the person that had claimed this one, I was like, oh no, they already have claimed this celebrating the moment crybaby and now I want it. Well, I got one from the unboxing channel, so now I can honor my commitment and still have one for me. And in fact, it's on this table somewhere. So when I get to the crybaby one, I will leave it closed and I will open mine for you guys. Oh crap. Well, I hope that's one of my boxes. 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, dang it. I'm getting all the ones that I don't want right now. Is this Zesiga? I think that's Zesiga. But another one I don't want. I promise you guys I wanted a lot of these. So this is just embarrassing. All right, the entire first row and none of them were for me. Come on, give me something good like Skull Panda or Chaka. This is very climactic. Ah. 3, 2, 1. Who is it? It's Chaka. I finally get to open one. Yeah. Okay. So this one is interesting because here's her little dress, like her bottom half. And then the figure is in here. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Come on. Yeah. Okay, she has legs. That's good because I wasn't sure. I knew she could come out of the little outfit, but I never was able to get a good look at the bottom of her. She's so pretty. She's very girly. She has these wings and the 15 on the back. And the little bows or butterflies. Yeah, she's very girly. This is so different from the other anniversary series that I've seen from Pop Mart. Like, they've done some really unique stuff in the past for sure. All right, it looks the same on the front and the back, so This is giving Cinderella vibes for me. And actually, I think this one is called Fairy Godmother, so there you go. She is so perfect. I love it. Is there anything else in the box? Yeah. Of course there is. Oh my gosh, I forgot her flame because she is a chaka or a candle fairy. Gotta complete the look, girl. I don't know how to put it in where it looks the best. I'm gonna just go with that for now, and I think she has a little fairy godmother wand. No! Oh. Okay. Trying to look to see if there's any detail, but it's just a gold fairy wand. And how does she hold that? There we go. Now she's complete. So, so pretty. I love her. I don't know if I love the fact that she wiggles around in her container. That was a design choice, Pop Mart. But, you know. All right, who do we have next? Come on, Skull Panda. There's a few of these that if I did get the secret and it replaced them, I would have to go out and buy them. And the Chaka and the Skull Panda were my top two, so. 3, look. Skull Panda. This one to me is just like it should have been, well, I know they have a bunch of them on here, but I feel like it should have been the cover style. It was in like the promotional stuff for the series, but it's just so perfect. Oh, 3, 2, 1. All right, another really weird one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's no contact lens in my right eye right now. So she's got like her skirt is like a shell. Oh my gosh. Look at this like star thing on the back. Oh. And look at this coming out of her head. This is so pretty. It's hard for me to see what's on the back, but it's like more shooting stars, I guess. And then this piece goes underneath her skirt. Interesting. So this is the inner piece. Let's see. And it just sits kind of like that. Stunning. I love it. I wonder if that other contact lens is still in the case. Anyway, I wish I had realized it before I started filming a video and opening a very expensive set of figures. That's the really cool thing about being super blind, is that your contacts or your glasses do make a difference, but it's not so strong of a difference that you can immediately tell that you can't see, because you can't see all the time. All right, 3, 2, 1. What is this one? I can't tell. Oh, it's Pucky. I think I'm gonna keep this one for myself because I do like Pucky and it looks very pretty. Actually, the magnet version of this looks pretty cool too. Ooh, this is hefty. Wow, this one is big. Oh my goodness. Pucky riding a lion for I don't know what reason. And he's wearing a very kind of looks like an outfit a baby would wear. I don't know. But it is cute. And I want to have a good number of these because, you know, it's an anniversary set. So this is not one of my favorites, but I think just to try to kind of make it look like a more complete collection that I have, I'm gonna keep any of the characters that I like, except for Le Beau Beau. I don't know why I put that one back in the box and not the other two, but it's all right. Okay, come on, Molly Secret. We need you, girl. 3, 2, 1. Who is it? Oh, it's Demu. Yes, definitely keeping this one. I think this is the biggest one. Even bigger than the puppy that we just opened. Okay. Ta-da! Ooh, it's got a little protective thing. Look at him. He's like on a little carousel or merry-go-round horse. No, it is a carousel because it is, well, technically it's a unicorn, so I don't know. Ah! This is definitely one of the best ones. Look, it's adorable. My goodness, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. I don't know if it says anything on the banner because, you know, we blind today, y'all. Okay. I think I just have to start putting these boxes back because they're taking up the whole table. Ooh, this one is light. Which one could it be? Oh, it's Pinot Jelly. I love this one, actually. I'm not like a big Pinot Jelly collector. I have one from the Hand in Hand series that I liked, but I don't typically go for Pinot, but this one is really pretty, I think. 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is beautiful. It isn't, the camera is not doing this justice, you guys. He's got, I don't know what's on his sleeves, but this little balloon has confetti inside and it actually shakes. And then I don't know, his hair just kind of glistens. Okay, it's got a P for Pinot on his crown. Is he winking? I don't know, but I just love this. And he doesn't have any other pieces. He just can stand on his own. There's his shoes. Love him. I also kind of want the pop bean of him. I did open some pop beans in another video for you guys. I got Demu, Twinkle. That doesn't sound right. Yes, Demu, Twinkle, and Polar, which I was able to sell Polar for only a $2 loss, so not bad. And I did buy more pop beans from this collection to get free shipping on an item. All right, we're switching sides, guys. We're doing the switchback. Oh, come on. She's stuck. Ah. Yeah, that makes sense that the Pinot one was light. Oh, what a mess I'm gonna have to clean up here. Oh my gosh. So we still haven't opened Twinkle, Crybaby. Hachi Poo Poo. Those are the three that I really want to see. Ta-da! Who are you? Twinkle! Yeah, this one is really cute. Even the pop bean is really cute. Okay, he's got some pieces, a little stand here. I love this because he looks like he's in like a little marching band. You can't tell right now because he doesn't have his instrument, but look at him. And his hat has the 15. Okay. So he is, his stand is kind of funny looking. Okay. All right, and he has a little horn. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if I remembered that, but the horn has a little star coming out. Of course, because twinkles are like star fairies. Look how cute. I feel like this one is maybe not as cute in person as I thought it would be, but I still like it. I'm gonna get all these bags all mixed up if I don't put them back. Oh, we only have 4 left, you guys, and I still don't have a secret. Ah! This is a messy series. 3, 2, 1. Who is that? Hachi Poo Poo? Yeah, this one is really special, I think. It's a pretty big one. Ooh, yes. I love the clear plastic. Oh my gosh, look at the little headband on his head with the 15. He's so, so, so cute. He has this bow on the back, which doesn't quite look the way that I thought it would, but that's okay. And then his accoutrement, he has a stand. Oh, the stand might have another piece, hold on. Yes. This is reminding me of that Chaka series that I couldn't figure out how it worked. Let's see. This is a time when I really needed to be able to see. But I think I figured it out. Oh, crap. Well, this goes in here, but it's not staying. There we go. And this goes in his back. So that he's like raised up. All right, that one doesn't want to cooperate right now, and I'm on a little bit of a time crunch, so we're just gonna give him his wand, and then you guys can envision that he's floating above his stand. Oh my gosh. There he is. Adorable. I also bought the magnet of him from somebody because I thought it was so super cute, and it's gonna look great on the fridge. All right, I want to find, is this, I think this is the Crybaby. I'm gonna probably sell that one to the person so they can, well, I think it's a gift. I don't know. They didn't tell me their preference, so it's hard to know. Three, 2, 1. Okay, this is Kubo, I think. No interest in that, so we're gonna just put him back. I think I am gonna have a hard time selling some of these because they're not the most popular characters. But we'll see. All right, only 2 left. This is not the Crybaby one, I don't think, so if this is not the secret, then I don't think we're getting it. Oh, this is the Crybaby. Huh. This one opened really, really nice, so I think I will sell this one. And I'll open this one because the bottom's like cut out, so I just feel like they might prefer the other box, but I don't know. All right, I think this figure honestly might be one of the things that started to get me to like Crybaby, because look how pretty it is. It has like, her tears are hearts and they have like an iridescent shimmer. And then she's got that really, she's like a cake basically, and she's got that really pretty 15 on the front. And she has these little candles, or they're like sparklers, in her hands. Honestly, I think this is one of the best ones. I'm very lucky that I got one from the unboxing channel because I bought 4 from them total, and I got this as one of the 4. So, all right, there she is. Da da da! Happy 15th anniversary, Pop Mart! Woo! So cute. All right, let's get this last one open because I don't know how much more time I have. Who are we missing? Oh, Sweet Bean. Sweet Bean is like a plague on my life, you guys. I always get Sweet Bean when I'm buying blind boxes. Ah, it's Sweet Bean. I was so hopeful for the secret, you guys, because when I have gotten secrets from a full set, it's always been from TikTok. Most of my secrets have been from TikTok. Well, I don't hate this, so if I cannot sell it, I don't think I'll be like devastated, but I'm gonna keep it in the bag just in case. So sadly, we are ending that set on a bit of a bummer, but I have one more thing to open for you guys in this video, just because I knew like this way I'm ending on a high. So I'm not gonna tell you what it is, but you might already know. Pen for Love. These don't look weird, as these often do. Dun dun dun! Oh, it's perfect! The feet are a little weird. Yeah, one of the feet is like pointed up. But look at it! It's the R, you guys. It is the black. The first black Le Beau Beau. So I bought this from somebody who unfortunately needed to sell stuff, and I got a very good price on it because people were selling this thing for like $50 to $60, which is crazy because honestly, even the original retail price of this of, what is it, like $23, I think is stupid. But I paid $40 for it, including the shipping. I think that was a really fair price, and the sellers certainly could have gotten more for it. So it was very generous of them to let it go for that price. But yeah, and here's the sticker. I would be able to tell you what R stands for if I had both my contacts in. Yeah. So we did it. We got the black one. I now have the black one, the white one, and one purple one, which is all I wanted. So there you go, guys. There is the anniversary series from Pop Mart. Let's see. My favorite ones, I think I'm gonna have to go with Crybaby is 100% one of the best ones. Ooh, I don't know between Chaka and Skull Panda. Honestly, I think the design of the Chaka one is better, even though I hate that she moves around in her little stand. So I'm gonna have to say these are my two favorites, you guys. I do really like the Skull Panda, the Demu, the Pinot Jelly, and the Hachi Poo Poo. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have a top 6, okay? Live with it. So there you guys go. When I get the magnet in with a couple of other fun items, I will be opening that for you. And if I have time today, I'm gonna film another video, so you might see this outfit again. Maybe I'll change shirts just to pretend like it's a different day. But there you guys go. Definitely take advantage right now if you are shopping for Pop Mart items, because they're dropping a ton of the plush dolls and items on the TikTok channels that have been out of stock for a long time. So no spoilers, but just a little kind of hint that something really special is on the way. Something I shouldn't have bought, but no regrets. But I will be taking a step back from buying Pop Mart stuff in the near future, guys, because I can't keep it up. It's getting out of hand. But anyway, I hope you guys loved the anniversary series. I'm looking forward to displaying it. Need to find the perfect display case for sure and find new homes for some of these other ones. My next video, I will be unboxing some of the Skull Panda The Feast Begins figures, as well as one of the Crybaby Vacation Mode, and also some other Crybaby and Skull Panda for you guys. So looking forward to that. Maybe it's later today. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please comment, please subscribe. If you want, tell me which one of these was your fave, and I'll be seeing you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.